grasped his ponderous hammer. He could not stand it more, to hear the bombshells bursting and the thundering battle's roar. He said, the breach they're mounting, the Dutchman's murdering crew. I'll try my hammer on their heads and see what that can do. Now swarthy Ned and Moore make up that iron weld. 'Tis Sarsfield's horse that wants the shoes, so mine not shot nor shell. I sure cried both, the horse can wait, for Sarsfield's on the wall. And where you go we'll follow, with you to stand or fall. The blacksmith raised his hammer and rushed into the street, his prentice boys behind him, the ruthless foe to meet. High on the breach of Limerick, with dauntless hearts they stood, where the bombshells burst and shot fell thick, and redly ran the blood. Now look you, brown-haired Morin, and mark you, swarthy Ned, this day we'll prove the thickness of many a Dutchman's head. Hurrah upon their bloody path, they're mounting gallantly, and now the first that tops the breach, leave him to this and me. The first that gained the rampart, he was a captain brave, a captain of the Grenadiers, with blood-stained dirk and glaive. He pointed and he parried, but it was all in vain, for fast through skull and helmet the hammer found his brain. The next that topped the rampart, he was a colonel bold, bright through the murk of battle. His helmet flashed with gold, gold is no match for iron, the doughty blacksmith said, as with that ponderous hammer he cracked his foeman's head. Hurrah for gallant Limerick, Black Ned and Morin cried, as on the Dutchman's leaden heads their hammers well they plied. A bombshell burst between them, one fell without a groan, one leaped into the lowered air, and down the breach was thrown. Brave Smith, cried Sarsfield, beware the treacherous mine. Brave Smith, fall backward or surely death is thine. The smith sprang up the rampart and leaped the blood-stained wall, as high into the shuddering air went foeman, breach and all. Up like a red volcano they thundered wild and high, spear, gun, and shattered standard, and foaming through the sky, and dark and bloody was the shower that around the blacksmith fell. He thought upon his prentice boys, they were avenged well. On foemen and defenders a silence gathered down, 'twas broken by a triumph shout that shook the ancient town, as out its heroes sallied and bravely charged and slew, and taught King William and his men what Irish hearts can do. Down rushed the swarthy blacksmith unto the riverside, he hammered on the foe's pontoon to sink it in the tide. The timber, it was tough and strong, it took no crack or strain. Mavron, it won't break, the blacksmith roared, I'll try their heads again. The blacksmith sought his smithy and blew his bellows strong. He shot the steed of Sarsfield, but o'er it sang no song. Oh, Joan, my boys are dead, he cried, their loss I long deplore. But comforts in my heart, their graves are red with foreign gold.